Would you looking get this?
Ka-chow!
Ladies and gentlemen!
Properties of matter. There are two main types of properties: chemical properties and physical properties. A physical property is a characteristic of a substance that does not involve chemical change such as density, color, or hardness. A chemical property is a property of matter that describes a substance's ability to participate in chemical reactions. Now you might be asking yourself, how are they similar? Well, they are both used to classify substances. So, now you might be asking, what are some of these properties? Well, there are many. The first ones I'm going to talk about are weight, mass, density, and volume. Weight. Weight is a measure of gravitational force exerted on an object. A connection that can be made to the beach from this is different weighted shells on the beach that have different weights. Mass. Mass is a measure of the amount of matter in a substance, and mass does not change based on position. A connection to the beach that can be made from this is different rocks with different masses. Density. Density is the ratio of the mass of a substance to the volume of the substance. A connection that can be made to the beach from this is different types of sand that have differing densities. Volume. Volume is the amount of space an object occupies. A connection that can be made to the beach from this is a certain amount of sand in a bucket. The bucket has a certain volume because it takes up space in the bucket. The next two properties I'm going to talk about are thermal conductivity and electrical conductivity. Thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity is an object's ability to transfer thermal energy. A connection to the beach from this would be an ice pack cooling down due to the heat transferring to it. Electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity is an object's ability to transfer electrical energy. A connection to the beach of this could be lightning hitting the ocean. The next few I'm going to talk about are solubility, magnetism, flammability, and the ability to rust. Solubility. Solubility is the ability to dissolve, where a solute dissolves in a solvent. A connection to the beach that you could make from this is how the salt in salt water dissolved in the water, creating the salt water. Magnetism. Magnetism is the ability to be magnetic, which is the attractive or repulsive force caused by an electrical charge. A connection to the beach that can be made from this is how on certain beaches black sand can be found, which is magnetic. Flammability. Flammability is the ability of a substance to ignite or combust. A connection to the beach that can be made from this is when lighting a campfire on the beach. The ability to rust. The ability to rust is also known as oxidation and is a substance's ability to oxidize or react with oxygen. This happens due to a chemical reaction with oxygen which causes rust or patina. A connection to the beach is when you take an iron shovel and you dig near water with it. The final two that I am going to talk about are melting and boiling point. Melting point. Melting point is the temperature in which a solid will turn into a liquid. This is similar to how an ice cream melts at the beach. Boiling point. Boiling point is the temperature in which a liquid will turn into a gas. This is similar to how water basically boils off of you after you get out of the water and sun bathe.